Okay, so the point of this is basically just to show that you can find and download and use statistics from Stats Canada. So all I've done here is just Google population and demographics in Stats Canada. I'm going to look for a specific table on migration and mobility, since that's the kind of thing we've been looking at in class. So see, I click down there, left, I bring up a table on a bunch of tables, but I'm going to select the second one here. I'm going to go down and look at international migration components. This is basically all the people who came from overseas into all the provinces, and you can see there's a bunch of data there which looks at people who've come in every quarter or 3 months. So a couple of things, like what I'm going to do here are I'm going to eliminate the fourth quarter of 2016, because I'm going to say, like, well, I really just want the data here, right, from quarters 1 to quarters 4 in 2017. So I'm just going to go on the data set and manipulate, or I guess I could just ignore it in the spreadsheet if it's unable to be done here. Data table, or constrain, use calendar year. Okay, so I'll have to do that in the spreadsheet. So what I could do for add remove data, and this is the second part of the exercise, is maybe I've decided, like, I want to ignore Quebec. I want to sort of consider Quebec a separate case. And so I will download all of the data, but maybe I'm going to leave Quebec out of it. You can do that afterwards, but the main thing is you understand how to download the data. Okay, so I'm going to download it as that's just like a comma separated variables. That's like a sort of basic spreadsheet file. So I'm just going to save it. It's going to go to my downloads folder. Just going to check it's downloaded properly. Yeah, okay. So Google Sheets is within Google Docs usually. I think some people go to it from Google Drive. Once I'm in Google Sheets, this is assuming you don't have Microsoft Excel. Otherwise, you could just open the file from Microsoft Excel. But I'm going to open. Actually, I think I need import for this one. Oh, I can do it either with import or open. So you're going to have to upload. So here I'm uploading, and I'm going to select a file from my downloads. And in my downloads folder, he says hopefully. Should be my file. Just going to try that again. My computer's very old and very slow. Okay, downloads. Oh, okay. It's okay, there we go. So, hopefully you don't have that problem on your PC, but whatever's going on there, I found the file. I upload it into Google Sheets. Okay, so basically an Excel file. Now, at this point, depends how much work you've done with Excel. Now, luckily, it's all ready-made formulas for you now. You don't have to sort of create your own mathematical formulas in Excel anymore. It's very, very easy to just, I'm just going to highlight these cells. So these cells represent all the people that immigrated into Canada in 2017, and I think it's under edit in this one, possibly file, insert, beg your pardon. Under the insert bar here, you'll have function, and you can say, you can do things like I want you to sum up. Yeah, so it's summed up all of the people that immigrated into Canada in that period, and you can see that's what has gone in there. You can also do like an average. So like another thing I did here was like, well, what about the people that left? Can I do a calculation to show the people that left Canada? Can I find like the average amount of people that left Canada every quarter or every 3 months? So I'm going to insert a function again. This time I'm going to go for average. You can see it will provide you with that data. So the point of the exercise really is to just show some familiarity with downloading data from Stats Canada and then doing something with that data in a spreadsheet. Okay.